Hey, what is up guys? It's Stan here with a quick video showing you guys how to wipe down and restore a Apple Silicon based Mac. Now I had installed all my applications, I created my account on this computer, and this is actually my wife's brand new computer, so I want to wipe it down and restore it to factory-like settings before she gets home, and so I can turn the computer over to her. So because it's an Apple Silicon based Mac, the Command+R restore mode is a little bit different. They changed up how to get to that menu. So rather than hitting Command+R for the recovery menu during startup, what you have to do is you have to make sure that the computer is completely shut down. And then what you do is you hold and push and hold the power button until the boot menu comes up. Make sure that you're not restarting the computer, because if you hit restart and it'll just it just didn't really work for me. So you have to make sure that you shut down the computer, push and hold the power button, and from here you'll hear the sound. Oh, I messed this up. Let me try that again. So what I was trying to say was you push and hold the power button until you hear the sound. You see the continue holding for startup options, and make sure you don't let go. And if you keep on holding it, it says loading startup options, that's when you can let go. And from here, you get the menu to be able to, basically your recovery menu or your iCloud, or sorry, not iCloud, but Time Machine recovery transfers, all that stuff here. So since what you get is a Mac, basically Mac HD, then that's your boot drive, as well as the options. What we want here is to go into options, and what we want is to wipe the computer down and restore macOS, or reinstall macOS. So from here, it's going to take a look at, oh, actually I need to log in. Hang on, let me log in real quick. So now that I'm logged in here, you have a couple options. You got restored from Time Machine, reinstall macOS, Safari, and disk utility. Safari, it brings up an actual Safari web browser so that you can browse some websites if you need, or to get some help from the Apple support. So that's kind of interesting. What we will do is actually fire up, for my purposes here, what I'll do is fire up disk utility. What I'm actually going to do is go ahead and just delete these volumes completely, so that I just have basically a container disk and nothing formatted. So from here, I just created a brand new volume, Macintosh HD, so that I've got the entire 244 gigabytes or 250 gigabytes or so free space. From here, just go ahead and go to reinstall macOS Big Sur, and you can go ahead and continue. Now the rest of the installation of Big Sur is actually very self-explanatory. All you need to do is just hit next, 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 and then follow the prompts. And basically at the end of this, you'll have the brand new installed operating system. I know I struggled a little bit in the beginning, and I thought that you guys might have some trouble as well getting to the recovery menu, especially with the brand new method of holding down the power button. So hopefully this was useful for you guys. If it was, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more tech videos, perhaps consider subscribing for future videos. Anyway, I'm Stan. I'll see you guys in the next one.